In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to black and white. Converting a PDF to grayscale or true black and white is a great way to shrink file size, make documents easier to read and print, and save ink or toner. I'll show you two straightforward methods, using a free online converter or using your computer's built-in print to PDF feature on Windows or Mac. Then we'll quickly cover when to choose grayscale versus true black and white. First, the online route. Open a trusted grayscale PDF converter in your browser. Options include tools like Convertora Grayscale PDF, PDF Resizer Black and White PDF Converter, or PDFKA Grayscale PDF Converter. Upload your PDF by dragging it in or selecting it from your files. Once it's uploaded, look for the button labeled Convert or Convert to Grayscale and click it. After the conversion finishes, download the new black and white version to your computer. A quick tip: if your document contains sensitive information, make sure you're comfortable with the site's privacy policy before uploading. Some tools also offer settings like DPI or quality. If you see those, higher values can preserve more detail in photos, while lower values reduce file size further. When possible, preview the result to confirm the text is sharp and any images look acceptable. Now let's use Print to PDF, which works on both Windows and Mac without any extra software. Open your PDF in a web browser or your preferred PDF viewer. Press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac to open the print dialog. In the print settings, find the color option and choose grayscale or black and white. Next, set the printer to save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Finally, click Print or Save. Choose where to save the file and give it a new name so you keep your original in color. If you don't immediately see the grayscale option, expand More Settings or a similar menu. If photos appear too light, try switching between grayscale and black and white to see which looks better for your content. So what's the difference? Grayscale uses many shades of gray, which preserves gradients in photos, charts, and logos. True black and white uses only pure black and pure white, giving crisp text and potentially the smallest file size, but it can lose detail in images. For documents with photos or subtle shading, choose grayscale. For scanned text, forms, or fax-style prints, true black and white can be ideal. If you have the PDF file, you can upload it here and I can help you convert it.